Let's see if we have enough light here to get in here and show you this. You know what? There's not enough light there. Hold on one moment. I'm going to grab my flashlight. Do a little better job editing these videos. Okay, here we go. That that was your number one exhaust valve right there. And luckily it was just getting ready to go through and drop the whole head of that off. Let me get back here with the light maybe. There we go. Drop the head right through that valve head right through the piston, and you can see the how clean each one of the other cylinders is. Because as this one quit burning fuel, the oxygen sensor saw too much fuel, so it turned the fuel down. And you can see how these ones were glowing. I can tell you that they were glowing red hot. Even the intakes were getting hot. Those cylinders were so lean. Yeah, that's a pretty one. But get time to get this thing ripped down and stuff. And then your new block and stuff is coming together quite nicely. With 0.5 pistons. And yeah, it's beautiful. But I just wanted to give you an update on this exhaust valve. That's besides everything's just completely wore out. And then I think I already threw them away. So I said I had a pile of rod bearings from the old, or main bearings and rod bearings, I should say. They're wore out. Wondered if this thing had more miles than the odometer actually said. And, but at any rate, I gotta get this store down so I can get you back on the road. I'll talk at you later, Don.